Wales International Music Festival, New Sinfonia, really believe and want to engage with the young people from North Wales.
The influence projects like this have upon the musical life of children. It opens their minds to the possibilities of enjoying their music making and also where they can go with their music making as well.
The theme this year for the festival is reflections, and so they've commissioned me to write a new piece based on the World War I song Pack Up Your Troubles with your old kit bag. And so my new piece is called A Veiled Smile, and it's for a small chamber orchestra and also for young musicians to play.
And we're working together as a team, and we're working on a piece written by Jonathan, my brother, and we've got musicians from across North Wales, from people that used to go to my old school across to Ynysmôn, and we're working on John's piece.
We're working today with children who are perhaps beginners all the way up to people working towards their grade 8. So I've written parts for every ability and for everyone to get involved and have a good time playing some music with an orchestra.
We've just had sectionals where they've gone away with their teachers and worked in detail on parts of their piece, and this afternoon we're going to bring it all together in the house.
Make sure that we get louder and quieter, so a bit more interesting.
I think it's absolutely fantastic that there are projects of this nature. It's a wonderful opportunity just to come together to work on a piece that's been specially composed for this.
For a lot of them it's a completely new experience. They come for their lesson on their own, and all of a sudden they're put together with other people of their age and also with professional players. It's an amazing experience for them.
It not only helps them as instrumentalists, but also helps to gel socially as well, and to make new friends perhaps, and as I say, to have great fun making music.
Yn y dyfodol, mae'r dyfodol yn ddisglair i ni, dwi'n teimlo, mae 'na gymaint o brosiectau fydde posib a rhai cyffroes dwi'n siŵr ar y gorwel.
It's a really good experience for younger people, and just something different.
It's a fantastic festival. We're really proud of the work that we do, but we want to have a legacy and we want to work with these wonderful young people, and it's great just to have people here enjoying it and making fun and playing music.